So once we had that nav in place, we can add content to it. I've added an image here, and I've added 2 paragraphs. Let's take a look at how I styled those. So the basic HTML is really simple. I've just added an image source. I've given it an ID so that I can style just that image. And if I pull that out, I'm just going to put a comment here. See if that comments it out correctly. It would help if I saved first. Now you'll see automatically with no styling applied that the page will grow, or the image will grow, and the page will grow with it. So that removes all of the styling from the photo. So I've set the size and a lot of the styling in CSS. So when we have the CSS applied, it looks a lot better. Then after that, I just have 2 paragraphs. Now I've added styling for the paragraph, and I've added styling for the image. Let's take a look at that. So I've given it the ID of front image. I've set a padding of 15 pixels, which will give me 15 pixels space all the way around. I float it to the left. That'll make everything come up next to it. And I've set the width to 40% and the height equal to auto. So that will make it resize if I were to have my container set to where it could resize. It will allow the page to resize as well. So I can set this to max width, and we'll see what that does here for you. So I'm going to do save all. And when you change it from width to max width, it will allow the image and the page to resize. And that 40% is 40% of the container that it's immediately in, not 40% of the image size. So it resizes with the container, and that's why you would use that percentage. It adds some simple responsive design here so that this could potentially work on a cell phone. So that's some of the simple styling you can do with images, and adding paragraphs. Paragraph styling was simply making it a font size of, I just added padding of 0, that's the top and bottom styling, and 1em, and I had changed the body font size to 1.5em, which I could have done right here with the paragraph as well. And that would make it not override any text anywhere else in the page. So let's do save all and refresh. And you can see nice design that's starting to become responsive. To make it really responsive, we'd use media queries, but you can see that we've got the beginnings of responsive here. Okay, that's it for week 7, lab 1.